Hello everyone and welcome to TMV Academy. If you have ever delivered a training session and seen blank faces or sleepy eyes in the room, don't worry, you are not alone. But here is the good news: with the right approach, especially guided by ISO 10015. Your training can become engaging, relevant, and truly impactful. This video is your complete guide on how to make your training not only effective but exciting too. We are going to share practical tips that align with ISO 10015's competence-based structure, so your training actually leads to results. Ready? Let's make learning fun and powerful. ISO 10015 in brief. Why engagement matters. Before we jump into tips, let's understand why ISO 10015 emphasizes purposeful training. ISO 10015 is about developing competencies that improve performance. And what is the point of training if no one is paying attention? According to the standard, training must follow 4 stages: need identification, training design, delivery, and evaluation. But the delivery phase, where the actual training happens, is often neglected. The more engaging your training is, the more likely it is to lead to behavioral change and real-world results. Let's dive into how to achieve that. Tip 1. Link training content with real-life roles. Start with relevance. People tune out when training feels theoretical or disconnected from their actual job. ISO 10015 urges organizations to align training with specific role-based competencies. So tailor your sessions to real-life scenarios. Use examples that reflect the employee's daily challenges. If you are training warehouse staff, don't talk about customer care scripts. Use case studies, simulations, or sample tasks that mirror their real workflow. This bridges the gap between knowledge and application. Tip 2. Know your learners before you train them. Just like ISO 10015 asks you to identify training needs, you should also understand your audience. What is their background? Are they tech-savvy or traditional learners? Are they new hires or experienced staff? Use pre-training surveys, one-on-one conversations, or even informal chats to understand expectations. This helps in choosing the right tone, examples, and pace. A one-size-fits-all approach never works in adult learning, and ISO 10015 emphasizes customization as key to engagement. Tip 3. Use interactive tools, not just PowerPoint. Death by PowerPoint is real. Instead of endless slides, incorporate interactive elements like live polls, quizzes, and gamification. Breakout rooms for virtual training, role plays and mock drills, real-time feedback sessions. These keep energy levels high and give participants a sense of control and involvement, which ISO 10015 values under the delivery effectiveness principle. Remember, engaged learners retain more and apply more. Tip 4. Define clear learning objectives. Boredom often comes from confusion. ISO 10015 recommends that each training program have clear, documented objectives. Communicate these at the beginning of the session. Let participants know what is in it or for them. When learners know the why behind the session, they are more invested. Make your objectives SMART, that is specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. You will find that attention improves drastically when people know what outcome they are aiming for. Tip 5. Blend training formats for variety. Monotony kills attention. ISO 10015 doesn't force one format. So why should you? Try blended learning. Combine online modules for theory, in-person sessions for practice, on-the-job coaching, group projects for collaboration. This not only increases retention but also accommodates different learning styles: visual, auditory, or kinesthetic, etc. A blended approach also makes it easier to schedule training without disrupting operations, making it both practical and effective. Tip 6. Use storytelling to connect emotionally. Don't underestimate the power of a good story. If you can illustrate a training point with a real-world story, a success, a failure, a customer complaint, or a breakthrough, it stays with the audience. ISO 10015 talks about learning transfer, and stories enhance that. People remember stories far more than bullet points. So next time you are training on safety, share a real incident. If it is customer service, tell a story that turned an angry customer into a brand advocate. Stories create emotional engagement and emotional learning sticks. Tip 7. Make it participatory, not dictatorial. Many trainers fall into the trap of delivering lectures, but ISO 10015 promotes active learning. Ask questions, invite opinions, get people to do small group tasks, let them teach each other. Peer learning is powerful and it makes training feels less like school and more like collaborative problem solving. Adults learn better when they feel respected, involved, and heard. Make your training a two-way conversation. Tip 8. Give immediate feedback and recognition. Recognition is a powerful motivator. During training, appreciate good answers, acknowledge thoughtful contributions, provide constructive feedback on exercises. You can also give micro certificates or badges for participation, quizzes, or projects. ISO 10015 highlights performance improvement, and feedback is key to that. Also, let participants know how they will be evaluated post-training. When learners feel seen and valued, they engage more actively. Make learning an experience. So here is the truth. Training doesn't have to be boring. With ISO 10015 as your framework and a few thoughtful strategies, your training can become something people look forward to. The goal is not just to inform but to transform. When training becomes engaging, employees not only perform better but also feel more valued and connected to the organization. So the next time you plan a session, ask yourself, is the training just content or is it an experience? Like this video if you found value, and don't forget to subscribe to TNV Academy for more real-world ISO guidance. And I, Akanksha Mishra, will see you in the next session of TNV Academy.